Hello guys, trust you all are doing well. Today I'll be showing you how to install Temu app. If you're using Android, you go to your Play Store, and if you're using iPhone, you go to your Apple Store. So we'll go to Play Store because this is Android. Any app you're searching for, you go to the search bar. So at this point in time, we are searching for Temu app. So we'll go to the search bar, you type in Temu, which is Temu. So now, because I'm in UK, it's showing Temu UK. It depends in the country you're residing. If it's Belgium, if it's India, if it's anywhere around the world, it's going to show you the Temu for the country. So now, I've clicked on the Temu UK, and you can see where it says install. And I want to install, so I'm going to tap on install. It is installing. If your Wi-Fi or your mobile data is quite fast, it's going to install, at a twinkle of an eye. So we'll click open. It's finished installing, so we'll click on open. I don't want to accept the cookie, so I tend to reject all cookies. So now I'm gonna tap reject. After it finishes installing, this is what you see when it opens. So here it has different categories. You can see on the top, women, men, home, jewelry, sport, industrial kits. Every category it has. If you're not sure of what you're looking for, just tap it on the search bar. Let's say we are looking for maybe picture frames. We can just say picture frames. Anything you're looking for, picture frames. Most of the time, I don't like to use the categories. I just go straight to typing what I'm looking for. When you type on the search bar, you click on it. So now we can see picture frames. These are the picture frames. Everything about picture frames will come up. So it's now up to you to select the one that you want, the style, anything. And also it will ask you to sign in. So it says sign in for the best experience. I do not want to sign in, so you can always sign in or sign out as a guest if you want to show up. But I would say it's okay to sign in, so you can have a history of your order. So you can always, if you want to maybe come back and purchase again the same thing you bought the last time. That is importance of signing into Temu. So you can always come back and see what you bought maybe a month or weeks ago. It will still be there. So this is what it looks like. It has varieties of different things. This is an iPad. It has so many things. Anything you want. It had phones. It has iPad. I'm sure this is a wristwatch. I mean, virtually everything it has it. So now this is installing Temu through Play Store. Now I'm going to show you a different way of installing Temu again. So in this case, all we have to do is I would uninstall this so you can see. We'll click on uninstall. Let's take this off the iPad, then we'll have a look at the different way to install it. So now it's gone off from the iPad. So if you're not sure of how to get to your Play Store, just simply go to your browser. So your browser, you have Google, you have Chrome, Microsoft Explorer. So now we're going to use Google. Type on Google. Now we're going to type in Temu. Temu. So it comes up. So you say Temu.com official site. Let's click on this. So now when it opens, have a look at the very top. You can see where it says. So now it says get the Temu app. You can see it's written there just on top of the screen. Get the Temu app. So we'll click on that. So it's going to bring up two options. If you're an Android user or an iPhone user. Because this iPad is Android, so we'll click on the Play Store. Because that is where we can get the Temu app. So you click on install. It is installing. So it's done installing. It's installed now. So we'll tap on the open. I'm gonna reject my cookie as usual. So now this is the overview of the Temu app. The same thing you have when you install it through the Play Store is the same thing you're gonna have when you install it through any browser. So we'll have it all here. Wherever it is, tap it in the search bar. Let's say we're looking for necklace. Necklace. You can say for girls or for women. So now let's look for necklace for men. We'll click on necklace men. So it brings out every different types of necklace for men. And it's all up to you to choose whichever one you want. The one that pleases you, you go for it. You see, it has different varieties. So anything you're looking for, anything at all, type on the search bar if you do not want to go through the categories. Okay, guys. I just thought I should show you this. I hope this answers your question because you were asking how to install Temu app using your iPad. So this explains it all. Thank you for stopping by, guys. Cheers. Bye.